Curl your fingers in. Your thumb folds over the top. If your thumb won't go over the top, it can go to the side. Just make sure it's folded on the outside of the fist, tight. You're going to twist the hand. As one retracts back, the other goes straight out. Twisting, twisting, twisting. You're going to hit with the first two knuckles only. First two only. 1, 2. First two knuckles. 1, 2. Fighting stance. Both feet are angled slightly sideways. Hands are now up, guard position. Back hand's right below my chin, but not on my chin, outside. The other hand is a little bit lower so I can see over it. Twist and punch. Twist, twist, twist. Back hand, twist. Notice the guarding hand comes back. 3, 4. You're walking forward. Walking backward. Work a basic combination.